Now, for the perfect time to add your posts, if you go on the Insights section, you go on Audience, you'll be able to see at the bottom your followers, and you'll be able to watch right here the times. You want to choose the peak time, which is 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. Eventually, days will be updated when you've been on using the Insights or the Instagram for more than a week. Also, you'll have perfect days. You want to choose according to the ideal day, every day, what specific hour, and upload your posts according to that. Times in terms of Insights are updated every week, so you'll be able to follow that every week. And eventually you'll be able to post in peak times where you'll have the most engagement out of your posts, and plus you'll be reaching more people and getting more impressions in general.